Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Vidx.ai step by step to find out the trending video ideas, analyzing the viral content, and understand what is working on YouTube right now. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you are planning to try Vidx.ai, you can just use my affiliate link that is given in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign up bonuses, rewards, or discounts. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of Vidx, which is vidx.ai. Over here, you will see this prompt that says discover what is trending in a faceless AI YouTube, like the ideas, niches, and viral scripts. So before hopping on how you can get started with the platform absolutely for free, we need to briefly understand what it actually offers. So Vidx.ai is basically a YouTube search and trend analysis tool that helps creators like you discover what type of content is going viral on the platform. It basically scans millions of videos and channels and shows you what is trending, what is growing, and what is gaining views at high speed. So, in simple words, if you want to understand what content people are watching right now and what ideas have a higher chance of performing well, Vidx.ai brings all of that into one dashboard. Now, in order to get started with the platform, you will have to either click on the option of Get Started Free, or you can directly click on the option of Login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, once you have done that, you will get access to your dashboard. Over here, you will notice in the left hand section, we have a bunch of different options. Like in the channels tab, we have search channel, then growth. In the videos tab, we have searching the video and the trending topic. Then we have the collections option where we can search for the groups and add the channels in our favorites. Here in the bottom left, we are also going to see the option of YouTube tracker. Then it is going to show you the level of the program at which you are currently. So currently I'm using their free plan that is showing me the free option over here. But you can also click on the option of upgrade and you can take a look at their basic plan, which is going to cost you $19 per month, and their VIP plan is going to cost you $59 per month. So for free you are only going to get 10 queries. So now let's just understand their features. So when you click on the option of the search channel, you will see this type of section in front of you. So this is basically the section where you can search any of the YouTube channel by their name. So here if I search for any of the channel, let's say I type this name and if I hit enter, it is going to show me all of the channels that has this particular keyword available. Now you can click on any of the channels and it is directly going to redirect you in your YouTube account, basically on their channel in your YouTube account, and you can take a look at their profile and bunch of different analytics. Now instead of this, you are going to see these options as well. So here you can select the creation date of the channel. I would recommend you to select it unlimited. Then you are going to see the option of AI videos and the AI rate. I also want you to not make changes into it. First, we have the option of subscribers. So you can select the number of subscribers that you are looking for. So if you are looking for the channel that has less than 10,000 subscribers, you can select it. You can select the video count. After that, you can select the language. So I think language is the filter that would be important for us. Then we have the option of email, whether you want the channel to have their email available or not. You can also add a bunch of different filters over here, but for now I'm going to be adding these two only. And if I hit the search option, as you can see, based on our filters, it has given a bunch of different channels. So this channel I think is US based. So when I click on it, it is going to show me the matrix of these channels. As you can see, it has 10,000 subscribers and 86 videos uploaded. On an average, he is getting 200,000 plus views. So basically in this application, it is going to show you the analytics of the channel. So this is the great thing which I have found. So with the help of it, you can just search for the new channels. Then we have the growth option. So when you click on the option of growth, you will find some of the top ranking channels over here. Here too, you can just simply use these filters. You can click on the tabs based on the channel that you want. After that, you can select the video growth, select the subscribers, and hit the search icon. This way too, it is going to show you all of the videos that are basically ranking. So you can again click on their channels, you can take a look at their videos, and then you can just use them to create on your own. Now let's go through the search video section. So here in the videos tab, when you click on the option of search video, you will see a bunch of different trending videos. Now here on the top, you will see a bunch of different filters as well. So this is the section where you can basically discover the videos by the keyword. For example, if I type this particular keyword here in the search bar, and if I hit enter, it is going to show me all of the videos that has this particular keyword available, which is tech review. So here you can basically analyze the videos views, their likes, engagement, their channel, and much more. So this particular section is going to help you understand which topics or the formats are working right now. You can also apply some of the filters that are available here. So if I remove this title from here, and if I just select whether I want to look for the long video or the short video, so I'm going to be selecting short video, then I can just simply use the filter of the creation time. So I want you to select it unlimited, or you can also select it for the past 3 months. Then we have the option of views. So we want to look for the videos that are getting maximum views. So I'm going to be selecting 1 million views. Then in the outlier, you can select the maximum outlier to, let's say, 100x, and the minimum should be let's say 50. Then we have the view per hour. So here I want you to select it as unlimited, but you can also look for the option of high views per hour. Then I would recommend you to select the video category as well. So if you want any specific channel or any specific video in your niche, this is the filter that would be really important for you. Now we have the likes, comments, language, and other filters as well. So you can also use these to basically refine the channels more. For now, I'm gonna be just using these filters only. And if I hit enter over here, now here, as you can see, it has shown me all of the results over here. This particular video itself received 10 million views in just 2 days. So here you can just simply click on the channel and take a look at their channel. You can also click on the video and you can take a look at the video and create your own. If you like it, you can just simply click on the option of this star and you can add it here in your favorite section as well. So this way, basically, you can utilize the filter options that are presented here. We have the trending section as well, which also works similarly. Now let's understand the trending tab. So trending tab is one of my favorite feature that Vidx.ai provides. So this is the section where Vidx.ai automatically shows all of the trending videos from different niches without you searching anything. So these are the videos that are currently exploding in views, as you can see over here. Again, you can use the filters that are given here. For example, if I want to select the category, I can select it with the help of this option. If I want to look for the number of views, I can just simply use it and hit the search icon. So here, with the help of this option, you can scroll through different categories and see what kind of videos are people watching the most today. So this particular section is perfect when you want quick inspiration for the content ideas without doing any kind of heavy research. So if you are stuck and don't know what to create, the trending videos section instantly give you the direction. So next option we have is of collections. Here you can search for the groups, or all of the videos will come over here in your favorite section. You can click on it and you can add it your group name, or you can also delete your group here. So this is how you can use Vidx.ai in a simple and complete way. So that's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.